The way that we become more alkaline, contrary to popular belief, is not by drinking alkaline water. That's one of the biggest marketing myths ever sold to the public. It's good because it's filtered, but it's bullshit that it will change the pH of your blood. That's complete nonsense. I think the best kind of water you can put into the human body is hydrogen water by a landslide. If you can, hydrogen water, by all of the clinical studies, probably 1,400 published peer-reviewed clinical studies on hydrogen water, more than any other type of water on the planet.
So it's something that you have to do at home that converts your water to hydrogen?
We actually have a little hydrogen bottle.
This is my hydrogen water bottle that I've been sipping on for the past couple weeks now.
Hydrogenated water.
Just got this recently. It's a hydrogen-rich water.
Hundreds of companies started to pop up selling hydrogen water bottle. I had to get in on the action. I started to dive into the extensive research. And I finally found one. Not only it infuses the water with extra hydrogen molecules, it has proprietary EMF protection encoded in it. SafeConnect Plus is one of the best brands when it comes to providing EMF protection products. In fact, I'm actually wearing a bracelet made by SafeConnect Plus which shields me from harmful EMF radiation. It was a no-brainer. I had to get this bottle. This thing just arrived. This product arrived at my house pretty quickly. The box is pretty light. Unlike many brands out there, inside this box, SafeConnect Plus has its own branded box. I can already feel the heaviness of this glass bottle. You can feel that you're filling a real glass. Let's pop this bottle open. It comes with a user manual and a charger. This right here is the base that contains EMF protection shield. This is the proprietary product the SafeConnect Plus made, and also to protect the water from the EMF radiation. In order to charge your bottle, simply remove this little thing right here and then just plug this inside here like this. I'm gonna be using this here, and you should see the base light up red like this. According to the instructions, it takes 2 to 3 hours for it to fully charge on this USB. Red light should turn off when it's completed. We're gonna fill this up with the water. Let's close it. It's doing its thing, guys. You gotta give this thing 3 to 5 minutes to fully finish. It just finished making. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little taste testing. We still have a little bit of water left here. Now we're gonna taste this. Wow, it tastes a little different. Something definitely happened to this water. It tastes completely different than the original. Based on my research, this is really healthy for you, so I'm gonna be drinking water out of this bottle a lot more often. From my experience, SafeConnect Plus has been a great brand to work with. I mean, I have this bracelet from them, and looking forward to buying more EMF protection products. It's great for gifts and also protecting your household. This bottle, with its protection, I mean, it's unheard of. So it's one of its kind. It's the first bottle that has that. So there you have it, guys.